Unsave Figma Changes. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open 𝗕𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 in your browser. Log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one first. Once you reach the home page, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the All Projects section. When your projects appear, click on the one you want to access. Select the project you want to edit and click it to open. Now you can begin editing your project as you like. For example, you might move elements, change colors, or add text. If you later change your mind and want to revert your project to how it was before editing, go to the left sidebar and click on the Figma logo located in the top left corner. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, go to the Edit section and click the Undo option. This will undo your last action. Since Figma automatically saves changes as you work, you can continue undo previous steps by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard repeatedly. Keep doing this until your project is restored to its original state before you made any edits.